The first step in using your Chromebook will be getting connected to the internet. First, click the clock in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Then click on the Network drop-down and select your wireless network name from the list. Finally, enter the password for your network and click Connect. When at school, your Chromebook will connect to the Roxanne School Wi-Fi automatically. Now that you're connected, logging in is simple. Your login is your first name, a period, then your last name. The rest of your email address will be filled out automatically for you. Your password is made up of your initials twice, in all caps, then your 2-digit birth month and 2-digit birthday. In our example, Homer Simpson's login would be Homer, period, Simpson, and his password would be in all caps HSHS0512, since his birthday is May 12th. If you are a new student, you may get prompted asking you to accept your new account. Scroll down and click the blue Accept button.